Hello, hey guys, welcome to my channel. And here today I'm going to show you how we can use Pi network and how we can mine free cryptocurrency. Here this is the official website MinePi, and here is a Google, and it's the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin is also a cryptocurrency, and you might know this more and better than me. So its prices 52,000 plus dollars, US dollars, you see here, and it's old, it's too old cryptocurrency. So, and here is the new cryptocurrency. We have opportunity to mine it, but we don't have the opportunity to mine Bitcoin right now. But here is the Pi. We can mine it with our smartphones. And to download this, you can come to your official website, or you can go to Play Store if you want, and then you will write Pi network. Also, you can use both operating systems like iOS or Android. Here I'm gonna use Android. Here I opened Google Play and I wrote Pi network and I searched. Here is the Pi network. I'm gonna install it. You will see my network is too fast. Here I'm gonna install. In the right side you will see my invitation code. You can use this to join Pi network. Here I open this. You can use your phone number, or you can sign up with your Facebook account. Here I'm going to sign up with Facebook. Here I choose Facebook application, and here I'm gonna continue as my name. Here is the first name, last name, and username. You will write your first name here as your passport. It must be same. And here is your username. I wrote it Afghanistan. And after that, you're gonna submit this page. This username will be used for your invitation code. If you invite other people, they will use your invitation code or username as your invitation code, and you will benefit from inviting people to your network, and it will boost your mining speed as well. Here is the invitation code, and you can write here Satir, yes, and submit. And here is the page. We are successfully signed in, and you can click on get started. Then click on that, tap on that to earn. Yeah, tap to earn and get to earn. And next view rules. You can close or back from this page. It's not necessary to check this out. And here you can dismiss it. And here it is. That's all. Successfully we are joined to Pi network. You successfully took 1 Pi for free from my site. Yeah, and that's it. After 24 hours you will restart your mining, and don't forget that every 24 hours it will be stopped automatically, and you will need to restart it by coming to the application. So you don't need to worry about your internet data. It doesn't use that. Also, it won't use your battery. So don't worry about that. Every 24 hours you just come here and be connected to internet and start mining again. Have a good time. Bye bye.